first graders. Welcome to Unit 5, Week 1, Day 4. Listen as I say 3 words. Barn, wait, marsh. Barn and marsh have R. The R sound. Wall does not, wait does not, so wait does not belong. Listen as I say 3 words, and listen for the one that does not belong. Part, harm, chase. Chase does not belong. Match, harp, cat. That's tricky. So match, harp, cat. So harp does not belong. Horn, mark, force. So horn and force have or, so it'd be mark. Night, like, dare. Dare does not belong. Cart, feel, charm. So cart and charm have arms, so feel does not belong. Boat, sharp, charge. Boat does not belong. Okay, friends, this is our 4th day of doing this, so we're going to go a bit faster. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Large. 3, 2, 1. Marsh. 3, 2, 1. Farm. 3, 2, 1. Barn. 3, 2, 1. Sharp. 3, 2, 1. Smart. 3, 2, 1. Mark. 3, 2, 1. Spark. 3, 2, 1. Charge. Okay, so let's look at 2 of these. This is corn. Look for the sound, the word corn. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. If you said C, you're right. O-R says or. Okay. Okay, this is a board. Look for the spelling, the word for board. 3, 2, 1. It would be A. O-A-R also says or. Okay, let's read this. T-R. Tar. Change the T to far. Add a at the end. Farm. Change the to ch. Charm. Change the to t. Chart. Change the ch to ka. Cart. Get rid of the t. Car. Change the k to ba. Bar. Add a k at the end. Bark. Change the k to n. Barn. Change the b to ya. Yarn. Change the n to d. Yard. Change the y to h. Hard. Change the d to p. Harp. Change the h to sh. Sharp. Change the p to k. Shark. Okay, very nice, friends. Okay, here we go. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. I see 4 fish in the fish tank. Large, 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 large. I saw a large dog in the park. None, 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 none. Ted has 1 left, but Mark has none. Only, 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 only. The card only costs 5 cents. Okay. Put, 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 put. Where did you put my book? Round, 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 round. A penny is round. Okay, friends. Let's read this together. Car, parts. So I guess we're learning about parts of a car today. And would this be fiction or nonfiction? If you said nonfiction, you're right, because these are real pictures. Okay, here's some words we'll see. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, round. 3, 2, 1, do. 3, 2, 1, where. 3, 2, 1, some. 3, 2, 1, people. 3, 2, 1, none. 3, 2, 1, what? Okay, so here's our story. Let's look for some of those R. I see R, car, part, part, parts, R, cars, car, parts. Okay, so I'm going to let you go first. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. Ready, together. When you look at a car, study each part. Each part can fit with other parts that are the same. Let's look at cars and car parts. Okay. So we have car, car, car. There's 4. And round. Car, hard, apart, are. Okay, so your turn first, then we'll read it together. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. The body of a car can be large or small. A car's body can be shiny or dark. A car has 4 round wheels with tires. Those wheels are hard to tell apart. Most tires on wheels are black. Okay. So your turn first. Oh, let's look for R. Car, car, part, car, park, car, park, cars, cars, parked, yard. Okay, your turn first. Ready? Begin. Ready, begin. Do you like this car? This car has a top part. It can close. Drive this car on a nice day. Where can you park this car? Some people park cars on a street or a road. Some cars are parked in a lot or in a yard. Okay, here we go. For this part. So there's none, which is one of our sight words. Cars. Start. Car. Okay, your turn first. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. You can see that none of these cars are the same. What is one thing that is the same? People have to start a car. So just put in the key and go. Okay, friends, so that was a nice story. I'm gonna really quickly pull up. I'd like to pull up a little blank page. So I'll just write around this. So when we are talking about 2 sentences and joining them together, we can use, we can use and, or, and but. So I see a dog. I see a cat. How can I put those together? Okay, you could say I see a dog and I see a cat. Okay, and is our conjunction. It puts the 2 sentences together. Okay, let me do another one. Let me see if I can insert a new slide. Okay, well, I just want a blank one. There we go. Okay, so we have and, oops, sorry, 1 second. We have and, or, and but. Okay. Do you want candy? Do you want chips? Okay, so these are two sentences. Do you want candy? Do you want chips? Which one could we use? And, or but to join these together. So instead, let me get my little eraser. I could say, do you want candy, or do you want chips? So or is our conjunction. It's putting the sentences together. Okay, let's do one more of those. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Right here. So this is, I want to play. I have to go home. Okay, so let's look at this sentence. I want to play, period. I have to go home, period. Would I use and, or but to join these? So let me get my little eraser, and I would put but. I want to play, but I have to go home. So once again, our conjunction puts two sentences together with one word. So we have and, or but. Okay, bye everyone. See you tomorrow.